Starting around 27 September 2023, Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.061 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.67% in most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. Doge basically has a very complete market cap of $8,598,746,713, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $146,224,819 in an unobtrusive manner. This especially makes Dogecoin, Doge, essentially positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant manner. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin generally be exceptionally worth in 2023, in a sort of enormous manner? Is Dogecoin a very wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Will Doge value sort of outperform its unsurpassed genuinely high in a quite huge manner? These are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, so will Doge cost explicitly outperform its untouched certainly high in a significant manner? Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost generally is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $0.093, the normal pretty least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to basically be $0.089, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Doge can really arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.098, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to for the most part be at around at least $0.072 in a fundamentally large manner. Dogecoin cost can in a real sense arrive at a truly limit of $0.082, with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars in a by and large huge way. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is generally anticipated to explicitly reach it in every practical sense, least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, in an essentially large way. The Doge cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.085, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.086, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at an extremely least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, in a kind of enormous way. The Doge cost could by and large arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.093, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is in every practical sense anticipated to fundamentally reach at a really least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, in a genuinely enormous way. The Doge cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.098, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 0.12% in its extremely current worth truly further appearance, how Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is essentially anticipated to really reach it in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.089 in December 2023. Or so they sort of thought. Assuming we basically look at the really current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a quite huge manner. Dogecoin in every practical sense is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. The Doge is down to nearly 1.87% in the very most recent 7 days, especially further appearance how the Doge cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $0.093, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past essentially couple of days. The coin could really have serious areas of strength, for certainly at the same time, we don't truly believe that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment, which generally is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge especially diminished by 35.853%, killing an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $0.034 from its kind of current worth in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a very decent basically purchase an open door for fast venture. Exceptionally further appearance how the Doge is down to nearly 1.87% over the most recent 7 days. Kind of additional appearance how the Doge cost could generally arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0.093, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 29.48%, and the cost especially flowed from an in every way that really matters, least genuinely normal cost of $0.085 to in every practical sense, most extreme certainly normal cost of $0.088 in the by and large beyond 90 days, showing how Doge in every practical sense has a sort of complete market cap of $8,598,746,713 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $146,224,819 in a genuinely huge manner. Dogecoin generally is somewhere around 14.79% with the in every practical sense greatest really normal cost of the coin in every way that really matters was around $0.076, and the by and large least extremely normal cost of generally was around $0.073 in all things considered, recent months, so the Doge especially is down to nearly 1.87% in the for the most part most recent 7 days. Certainly further appearance how the Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.093, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts. What will be Dogecoin sort of worth in 2023, which essentially is very critical. The Doge cost for the most part is determined to especially arrive at a really greatest degree of $0.098, with sort of least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023 in an especially large manner.